Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a neat little drone that's marketed towards adults, a mini drone with a 1080p camera and Wi-Fi FPV. This particular model comes in a sleek gray color and has some interesting transparent LED folded arms, which gives it a unique look. One of the first things you notice is how portable it is. Thanks to those foldable arms, it becomes quite small and easy to tuck away or carry around, making it great for taking on trips or just flying in different locations. When it comes to flying, this drone offers some features that make it accessible, even if you're not a seasoned pilot. It has an altitude hold mode, which is fantastic because it helps keep the drone stable at a set height, allowing you to focus more on controlling direction or capturing photos and videos rather than constantly managing the throttle. For beginners, or just for convenience, there's also a headless mode. This means you don't have to worry about which way the drone is facing. Controls are relative to you, the pilot. Now let's talk about the camera. It's equipped with a 1080p wide-angle camera. This is great for capturing wide, high-definition pictures and video from the air. The Wi-Fi function is key here, as it allows you to connect the drone to an app on your phone. Through this app, you get real-time transmission of the camera's image, essentially giving you a first-person view, or FPV. You can also use the app to take pictures and record video directly to your phone. Beyond basic flight, this drone includes a trajectory flight feature. You can draw a path on the screen within the app, and the drone will follow that designated route autonomously. This is a really cool feature for getting specific shots, or just having fun watching it navigate a path you've created. Controlling the drone is done via 2.4 GHz technology, which helps prevent interference. It's a 4-channel drone, meaning it can perform all the standard maneuvers: ascend, descend, move forward and backward, fly left and right sideways, and even do a 360-degree roll for some aerial acrobatics. It also offers 3 different flight speeds that you can switch between. This is great because you can start slow and steady while you get the hang of it, and then increase the speed as you become more comfortable or want to fly in different conditions. The build quality seems decent for a mini drone. The fuselage is made from high-strength engineering plastics, which is described as lightweight yet resistance. This is important for surviving minor bumps or crashes, which are pretty common when you're learning or flying in tighter spaces. Overall, this mini drone packs a good set of features for its size and target audience. With its foldable design, 1080p camera with FPV, stable flight modes like altitude hold and headless mode, plus fun additions like trajectory flight and 360 rolls, it seems like a solid option for adults looking to get into drones or just wanting a fun, portable flying toy or gift. It covers the essential functions you'd expect, from basic movement to capturing aerial footage.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.